So are you all set for the revision series?
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
might
sir.
you might have practiced at your end also, or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is very much necessary. Okay, don't think that revision series is going on, so we don't have to prepare at our own. So this is very crucial time for you people. Okay. So first of all, how to solve simple diode question. Suppose this is silicon diode, then what to do? First of all, we have to check whether it is on or off. And when we can decide this?
BP minus Vin
BP minus Vn is greater
is
than
greater than
0.7.
0.7.
Yes. And if it is less than,
Then it's
Then it is off.
it's off.
consider it to be off. Okay. And off means not forward biased. Okay. Means the diode is not conducting at all. It includes reverse bias and this condition also. Okay. So I have written the complete procedure. Please have a look at this. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
I have given you the example of silicon. Similar is the thing for germanium. Okay. Then this thing will be replaced by 0.3. Clear?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Then there are questions on volt ampere characteristics of the diode. Please check this. And KT by E will be the voltage, na?
Yes, sir. Thermal voltage.
Yes, thermal voltage. This. Then how to get the resistance of the diode? One is RDC, which is called static resistance, which is given by V by I. And another one is RDC, which is given by dV by di. And there is a formula for this. Can you tell me about that formula? Eta KT by EI, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
RDC means static, AC means dynamic. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Of course, in past, I don't think any question has been asked based on simple diode. But yes, there are questions based on Zener. Okay. So now what is the difference between simple diode and Zener?
Zener diode work only reverse bias.
No, it's not like that.
Yeah, highly,
It's highly doped.
doped.
Highly doped reverse.
Highly doped. Yes. Then
It can be used as a voltage regulator
yes, very good. Then
when it is reverse biased.
there is one more difference.
It uses handling
Zener
effect.
breakdown.
It can work both during forward and reverse bias. Na? During forward bias, it works like normal diode. If Zener is forward bias, then there is no difference between Zener and normal diode. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let us discuss one problem from IIT JAM based on this Zener diode. One kilo. So I won't be writing the complete question, okay? Only the diagram and the thing that has been asked. the ratio of the maximum power to the minimum power dissipated. Across the load resistor is everyone remembers what to do first?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
To remove Zener and then you have to check whether it is on or off. No, it was 500. No? So 10 by 3.
Yes, sir.
So for Vi equal to 5 volt, Zener is off.
Yes, sir. It's off.
So it means Zener current will be 0. It means same current will flow through resistor that we have calculated right now. This 5 volt by 1500 ohm, because Zener is doing nothing in this case. Na?
Yes, sir.
That is, circuit is exactly similar to this one that we have supposed. Okay. Because with the help of this only we can calculate the power. Na? Or either you can go for VL. This will be VL. This same is VL. So PL is either you can use VL square by RL or IL square into RL. So it is up to you which formula you want to use. So by 1000. So 100 by 9 milliwatt. Na? Please check.
Yes, sir. It's 100 by 9.
So this is the max power and upper one was the minimum one. So we have to get the ratio maximum to the minimum. So P max to P minimum. Please check everyone, those who don't know.
Yes, sir.
So try to solve this one now. Solve this one. So in this type of question, you need not check whether zener is off or on, because it is given that you are maintaining 5 volt across RL. So it means VL is 5 volt fix. So what will be VS? V input minus VL, that is 10 volt minus 5 volt, that is 5 volt. So it means IS will be VS by RS, that is 5 volt by 100 ohm, 0.05 ampere. Yes, Arun, very good. So IS is IZ plus IL. So when IZ is minimum, IL should be maximum. Only then this sum can remain constant. So IS is 50 milliampere and the minimum value of zener is given to be 10. Knee current means minimum value. So IL max will be 40. 40 milliampere. So we have to get a minimum value of RL. Na? So RL minimum. VL by IL max. VL is 5 volt fix and IL max is 40. So what is this value?
125.
125 ohm. Now minimum power rating means the maximum power. Okay, I explained this also earlier in the class. So minimum power rating means maximum power that can appear across the Zener diode. And for that we need max current. And we know that max current can be the total current that is coming through the circuit, that is equal to IS, which is 50 milliampere. Okay, so this can be the max current. Na? Otherwise, such a situation, it will not be there, because all the current, it will not pass through Zener. Some current will flow through load also. Okay, it means such a diode, it will be safe in all respects if you connect a diode keeping this thing in mind. This. Please check.
Yes, sir.
And what do you mean by clipper then?
To clip some input
The
waveform.
output, clipping the output waveform by using diode.
By using diode. Okay. So I think there is one question based on this. Let me check. One minute. No, there's no question based on clipping in the past. This Zener question was there. Yeah, there is. So it is in IIT Jam 2014. Let us discuss this one. Circuit given is this. This one. Very good, Rita, Abhay, Durga. Quite a simple question. No, Arun. Please check. Yes, Kanaya, Ritika. Very good, Rishika. Yeah, now it's correct, Arun. Okay, let me tell you then. See, when the input voltage is greater than 3 volt, then this diode will be on. Because already there are 3 volts at the negative terminal. So for Vi greater than equal to 3 volt, diode is on. And when diode is on, it will keep only 3 volt. Na? And we are taking the output across the diode. Okay. So it means the output will become constant at 3 volt. For the input voltage is greater than equal to 3 volt. That is part of the input above 3 volt is clipped. So it means this one is wrong, this one is wrong. It can be either C or D. Now, when Vi is less than 3 volt, diode is off. Diode is off, it means output will become equal to input, na? Because both are in parallel. Okay. Any doubt to anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So there is another one. This is the input voltage. The voltage waveform across PQ. This is the question, and this one is from IIT JAM 2017. Again, clipping. And these are silicon diodes. One more special thing. These are made up of silicon. Very good, Abhay, Durga. These are very simple questions. No need to write anything. No? Very good, Arun Kanaya. Rishita. No, Rita, it's C. Let me tell you how. C, during positive half, only diode 1 can be forward biased. This cannot be forward biased. And when it gets forward biased, when the input voltage it gets beyond 0.7 volt, this will get on and it will keep the output voltage equal to 0.7 only. Okay, so this one got eliminated. Now during negative half, this diode will get on and some voltage drop across R will also be there. So the total output voltage will be the sum of the voltage across diode and R. And obviously it will be more than minus 0.7 na? Because minus 0.7 is across diode only. And this R will also keep some voltage. So it means during positive half, the voltage will be less and during negative half voltage will be more. So that's why it is C option. Please check everyone. Clear?
Yes, sir. Okay, okay, sir.
Now one more question from Zener is there. So you have to find IZ.
Sir, can you repeat again about the negative half in the previous question?
During negative half, when the voltage is more negative than 0.7, this diode will be on and this will be
You mean like 0.08, 0.09 like this?
yes, if it is minus 0.9 or
Okay.
okay.
Yes, sir.
So this will retain minus 0.7. and some voltage drop across R will also be there. Suppose it is keeping this. What is the total voltage now?
Minus 1.2.
So it is more than 0.7, na? So it means during
Yes.
half the voltage should be more, na? Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is saying during negative half it should be less. So this is wrong. This is saying during positive and negative it is equal. This is also wrong. So we are left with only option C, na? Okay. Now this one. And this one is from IIT Jam 2019, I think. Very good, Durga, Arun. So again, you need to check whether Zener is on or off. Very good, Rita. Yes, Rishita. So VL is VZ equal to 20 volt. So IL is VL by RL. 1 milliampere. So VS is V input minus VL. 40 minus 20, that is 20 volt. So IS is VS by RS. 2 milliampere. So IZ is IS minus IL. So 1 milliampere is the answer. Please check. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then there are lots of questions based on transistor. One minute. Yes, this one. This one you have to find. Please try to solve this one.
So VB 0.7 volt है silicon.
It's not given actually, but you can take it to be that. Okay, it's not given otherwise. But
सर
yes,
बिना बिना उसके भी हो जाएगा ना, आईवी से आईसी आ जाएगी फिर वो।
no. But in order to find IB, you need that, na?
यस सर।
So try this one. Very good, Arun. Base circuit. This one is VBE. Yes, Durga. $4.3 milliampere. The only thing you need to remember is the transistor equations. So that is the answer, 5.7. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So you need this information actually. If it is not given, if you take it to be 0, then the answer will be around 5 volt. Then the answer will be 5 volt, I think. Okay. So they should provide this information. Actually, it was not given, but answer comes when we consider this to be made up of silicon.
So in exams we can assume that on a safer side, or
No, actually, if it is not given, then we should take it to be 0. Because we never know
okay,
it's
sir.
made up of germanium or silicon. Na?
Ji, sir.
But they do provide this information. I don't know why in that particular question they have missed that part. So otherwise, everyone will be in dilemma, na? What to do with such a question. Because there will be 3 answers at least. One with the ideal one, other one with the germanium one, and third one with the silicon one. So it is given that you can neglect VB. So see, now they have clearly given. So VCE you have to find. So this one is from IIT JAM 2016. So what is the name of this circuit?
Voltage divider.
Voltage divider.
Divider.
Another name?
Self bias.
Yes, self bias and voltage divider bias. There are two names. And it is the most stable of all the configurations, biasing configurations. So you need to get VCE. So everyone knows the procedure. First of all, we need to
Yes,
find
sir.
VB, that is the voltage across R2. In the actual circuit, this one is called R2 and this one is called R1, like this. And we calculate voltage across R2 and that we take as VB. And from there we start the question. But don't cram this formula, okay? Sometimes what students do, they cram this formula and examiner is smart enough to interchange this R1 and R2. Sometimes he calls this as R2 and this as R1. And some of the students, they went with the same formula in the past. Okay. So this formula is valid when this one is R1, this one is R2. If the examiner interchange R1 and R2, then you need to make a change over here also. Then this will become R1 by R1 plus R2. Okay. So please take care of these things in the exam. R2 means this one. So this is actually this resistance over sum.
It is always grounded resistor, no, sir?
Which one? Yes, this one.
Yes, sir. Always grounded one.
Yes. Yes, Arun, Rishita, very good. So this is the final answer. Please check.
Yes, sir.
Clear to all?
Yes, sir.
So one more is there from IIT JAM 2017. Let me check the question, exact one. Again, based on voltage divider bias, a little bit different. IC is given to be 1 milliampere, beta equal to 50, VB 0.7. Where IP is the base current. So you have to find the ratio R2 by R1. Hurry up. No answer till now. No, Rishita. Really, you people are getting this answer? We have done this question in the class. Very good, Gomti. So IE is equal to IC equal to 1 milliampere. So VE will be IERE, na? No, Ritika.
सर भी तो हमें गिवन है ना
क्या given है?
VE
Oh, that there is no need to solve this, no? Otherwise also we are getting it to be same. No problem at all. I didn't notice actually. So VB is VBE plus VE. 0.7 plus 0.5, it is 1.2. And what is the formula for VB again? R2 by R1 plus R2 into VCC. Na? So now you know VB and VCC. Okay. So with the help of this, you will be able to get the answer. So it will give you 1 by R1 by R2 plus 1 into VCC is what?
6 volt.
Sir, 0.25.
Yes, this is the answer. So from here you will get the answer. Na? No need to do anything. And no need to solve for this one also, because this is already given. So now if you solve this one, you will see, you will get R2 by R1 to be 0.25. That's it. We don't require this information at all, actually, in this question. Okay. But if they ask you about the actual values of R1 and R2, then you do require this information. Okay. Earlier also, I told you about this. Now, let us see how this can help us in getting the exact values. So this is 10 IB. Na? So what will be the voltage drop across R2? It will be 10 IB into R2. And that can be taken as the base voltage. Na? Can I?
Yes, sir.
Because the voltage drop across R2 is the base voltage. Na? And this is 1.2 volt. And what is base current? It will be IC by beta. Na? IC is 1 milliampere, beta is 50. So this will get me R2. Na? Please check.
Yes, sir.
Six kilo ohm. Na? And R2 by R1 was 0.25. So 6 kilo ohm by R1 is 0.25. So R1 will be 6 kilo ohm by 0.25, that is 24 kilo ohm. So that's how we can get the exact values also in this particular problem. Clear?
सर VB इक्वल टू I इंटू R, तो R2 तो 10 IB है ना?
R2 थोड़ा 10 IB है, current 10 IB है. How can a resistance be equal to current? Current
Yes,
through
sir.
R2. That's what I'm taking. Na? That's why it is 10 IB into R2.
Yes, sir.
Current into resistance is voltage. Na? What is the current through R2? It is 10 IB. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let us see more problems. I think one more was there. Let me check. Almost every time one question is there from transistor, either one circuit or another circuit. emitter diode voltage is 0.7 volt. And beta is large. So you have to give your answer up to 1 decimal point. Okay. So this one is from IIT JAM 2018. Get me the answer. There is no battery connected in the base circuit, so VB is 0. It means the IB is 0. So it obviously means IE equal to IC. So this is 0.7. Let us suppose the current through this is IE. So then it will be 0.7 volt plus IE into 1K minus 3 volt equal to 0. So IE into 1K so now 10 volt equal to 2.3 milliampere into 3K plus VC. Na? So this is the answer. Check everyone.
Yes, sir.
सर एक क्वेरी है पिछले क्वेश्चन पर जो है ना मतलब सर मतलब जहाँ पर डायग्राम है वहां पर तुमने मुरलीधर कही सर जब हमने अभी जो क्वेश्चन किया था ना उसमें हमने ये देखा था कि R1 जो हमारा R2 था वो ग्राउंडेड था तो हमने VB को 0 ले लिया था लेकिन अगर यहाँ पर R2 को देखें वो भी तो इनडायरेक्टली ग्राउंडेड ही है सर तो यहाँ पर हमने VB को 0 क्यों नहीं लिया
तो यहाँ पे ऊपर से कनेक्शन है वहां पे कनेक्शन है क्या मेरे घर में 10 मना होगा
ये सर देख लिया
हमें क्यों नहीं मिलता है कुछ भी
Clear?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे तो इसके through it is getting the current, so some voltage is getting dropped. That is totally different circuit. How will the current come in?
Yes, sir.
You have to find the value of the emitter current. So this is bias circuit with emitter resistor actually. So first of all, we need to calculate base current. Yes, Akash. Around near about that one. This comes out to be how much? This is how you can get IE. Okay, solve this one directly. Is it 444.9?
Yes, sir.
Please check. Clear? One more is there from IIT JAM 2020. Every time they ask a question based on transistor. So this, it means this topic is very scoring transistor. And there are 4 configurations and they keep asking one out of them.
Most probably it's a self bias. Right?
Yes, most of the time it is. But others are also there, as you can see. Twice they have asked based on this, in 2019 and 20. This bias circuit with emitter. So you can never predict what they are going to ask. So it is given to be 0.7. So I'm writing the question in short. a collector emitter voltage reverse biases the collector VBE is 0.7, VCE is 14 volt. So you can directly calculate IC and hence IE. Na? And with the help of that, I think we can get RB. So VCC equal to ICRC plus VCE plus IERE. So I'm taking IE to be nearly equal to IC. IC is given? No. So IC into 2 kilo plus 14 volt, IE into 1 kilo. Can I call this as IC?
Sir, 864 kilo ohm.
Yes, yes. 6 volt IC equal IC into 3. So IC will be 6 volt by 3 kilo ohm, 2 milliampere. Okay, and it means IB will be IC by beta. That is 2 milliampere by 100, 0.02 milliampere. And the formula for the base current is this one. And from here we can get RB plus beta plus 1 RE equal to VCC is 20 minus 0.7, IB is 0.02 milli. So it is 19.3. Please note down. This is how much? this much, na? So this will be so it will be 864, na? Please check your answer, everyone. So this one was the latest one. Let me see if there is any question in 2021. I hope there will be. No. Yeah, there is a question based on Zener only. But I don't think there is question. Yeah. One simple. There is a question based on Zener. Let us discuss that one. Actually, there are two Zener. Are 35 volt. Zener diodes are rated at 5 volt and 5 watt and 10 volt. So you have to find the value of the resistance R. So this is the max power, na? From here you can get the max current actually. Vz is 10 volt, na? So Iz max is 5 by 10. 0.5 ampere. And current through R is voltage, 20 volt regulated. So voltage across this one is 20 volt, it means. So what will be the voltage across this one? 15, na then. So what is the current through R? Let it be IS. It will be 15 by R, na? Okay. Clear? And we know that the maximum current through Zener is equal to this current. So can I put this equal to 0.5? Yes, Durga, very good. Please check everyone. In one of the previous questions, you might have noticed that I have taken Iz max to be equal to Is, na?
Yes, sir.
So that's what I have done over here also. I got the value of Iz max and Is also, and then I equated them to get the value of R. Means actually this factor will be greater than or equal to, we can say. So this R will be less than or equal to 30 ohm. This is the max value actually. Okay. Clear? Clear to all?
Yes, sir.
So that's all for today, students. So tomorrow also we will continue with electronics. So we'll be discussing about operational amplifier and the digital portion from electronics. Okay, students. Bye bye. Take care.